Hi everyone. Are you a civil engineer, architect or contractor who needs to create accurate building estimates fast? You are in the right place. In this video I will show you how to use buildingestimate.in, a website, a free tool that helps you generate professional building estimates and receive them instantly on your email as a PDF. Let us start by visiting the website buildingestimate.in. For that we will go to Google, type buildingestimate.in, click first option. Our website will be opened. Click the icon estimate for residence building. Our data entry form will open and we will have to enter our room dimensions and wall dimensions here. Please enter email. Now enter the name of architect. Enter phone number of architect. Click next. Now enter name of work. We will enter residential. Enter name of owner. Enter plot or property number. Click next. Now if the plot property or site is in Gram Panchayat area, enter revenue survey number, and if the property is in Nagarpalika municipality area, enter Nazul plot number, Nazul seat number. Our property is in Gram Panchayat area, we will enter the revenue survey number 20/2. Please enter plot property address. Click next. Now we will study the plinth area rectangle box. Plinth area 1 is from this one. Plinth area 2 is this. For plinth area 1, width of plinth area 1 and depth of plinth area 1. Plinth area 2, width of plinth area 2 and depth of plinth area 2, and so on. Now we will enter the dimensions. Width of plinth area block 1. For that we will see the plan. Now width of plinth area block 1 is 6.86 and depth is 9.58. 6.86, 9.58. Click next. Now the dimensions of second block, plinth area rectangular box 2. For that we will see the plan. The dimension of which 3.16 and 2.44. 3.16, 2.44. Click next. Block 3 is not present, keep it blank. Now we will count total number of columns in the plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Enter 12 number of columns. Click next. Now we will have to enter size of porch, width and depth. See the plan. Porch dimensions are 3.7, 2.44. 3.7, 2.44. Click next. Now the size of living room. See the plan. 3.6, 4.8. 3.6, 4.8. Click next. Drawing room is not present. Click next. For bedroom, see plan. Bedroom size is 2.7, 5.03. 2.7, 5.03. Click next. Bedroom 2, see plan. Size of bedroom 2, 2.7, 4.2. 2.7, 4.2. Click next. Bedroom 3 is not present. Click next. See for kitchen size 2.6, 4.2. 2.6, 4.2. Click next. Dining is not present. Click next. Storeroom is not present. Click next. For bathroom, see plan. Bathroom dimensions are 1.2, 2.1. Enter 1.2, 2.1. Click next. Size of WC, see WC size 0.9 by 1.2. Click enter 0.9 by 1.2. Click next. Toilet is not present. Click next. Stairwell is not present in our plan. Click next. For passage, see the plan. 0.9 by 2.11. 0.9 by 2.11. Click next. For size of utility or washing area, see the plan. Washing area dimensions are 1.37, 2.1. 1.37. Enter 2.1. Click next. Now there is a space to enter the additional rooms, which rooms are not present in our drawing. Click next. Click next. Count the total number of doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number of doors are there. Count the total number of windows. 6, 7. Enter 7 for 7 number. For ventilator, see 1, 2. Enter 2. Click next. Here is the sample plan. to study how to fill long wall, short wall dimensions. First of all, we will see outer walls. Outer long wall. Outer long wall 1 is this. Outer long wall 2 is this. Outer long wall 3 is this. Now we will see outer short walls. First outer short wall is from this point to this point. Second outer short wall is from this to this point. Outer short wall 3 from here to here. Now we will see in inner walls, inner long walls. Inner long wall 1 from this point to this point. Inner long wall 2 from this point to this point. Inner long wall 3 from this point to this point. Inner long wall 4 is from this point to this point, and inner long wall 5 from this point to this point. Now we will see the inner short walls from this point to this point. Inner short wall 1, inner short wall 2 from this point to this point, inner short wall 3, and last one inner short wall from this point to this point. Outer walls are of 0.23 meter and inner walls are from 0.115 or 0.1 meter. Now we will enter the dimensions, lengths for each of the walls. Length of outer long wall 1. See plan. Our outer long wall 1 is this one from this point to this point, and it is 2.44. 2.44. Our second long wall is from this point to this point, and it is 9.58. 9.58. Outer long wall 3 is from this point to this point, it is 12.02. 12.02. Click next. Now length of outer long wall 4 is not present, 5 not present, 6 not present. Click next. Now outer short walls. Short wall 1. It is from this point to this point. It is 2.7. Enter 2.7 for short wall 1. For short wall 2, outer short wall 2 is from this point to this point, and it is 3.6. It is 3.6. Outer short wall 3. Outer short wall 3 is from this point to this point. It is equal to 6.86 minus 46 is equal to 6.4. Enter 6.4. Click next. Now outer short wall 4 is not present, 5 is not present, 6 is not present. Click next. Now we will have to enter inner walls. Now first of all we will see inner long walls 1. Inner long wall 1 is from this point to this point, and it is equal to 2.7. Second inner long wall is from this point to this point. It is 4.2. Enter 4.2. Length of inner long wall 3. See, from this point to this point it is 4.2. Enter 4.2. Click next. Now length of inner long wall 4. Inner long wall 4 is from this point to this point, and it is equal to 1.2. Please enter 1.2. Long wall 5, long wall 6 are not present. Click next. Now we will have to enter inner short walls. Inner short wall 1 is from this point to this point, and it is equal to 2.7. Inner short wall 2. Inner short wall 2 is from this point to this point, and it is equal to 3.6. 3.6. Length of inner short wall 3. Short wall 3 is from this point to this point, and it is equal to 2.7. 2.7. Click next. Now we will have to enter short wall number 4. Short wall number 4 is from this point to this point, and it is equal to 0.9. 0.9. 5 is not present, 6 is not present. Click next. Now we will have to enter, for depth of excavation we will enter 1 meter. Plinth height we will enter 1 meter. Floor height we will enter 3 meter, and for slab thickness we will enter 0.12. And now we are submitting the drawing. For email address we will be recording your response. Make sure you touch this form before submitting. Click OK. Once you submit, check your email. You will receive a PDF estimate instantly, ready to print, ready to sign and or share with clients and team members. We will have to wait some time, 20 to 30 seconds. That is it. Quick, easy and accurate. See our email file. Here, first page, it is sample letter pad. You can paste here your logo. There is a second page. You can print this page on your letter pad. Face page. Now disbursement schedule is there. General estimate is there. Electricity, pumping, all are present. Inverts also. Abstract of cost is also prepared, and measurements are also prepared. See the measurements. Check it. Sign it and share with your clients. That is it. Quick, easy and accurate. Try it now at buildingestimate.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this useful, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions.